Let's look at the numbers. As a real estate professional, I am often asked what is going on with the housing market. And I think we can agree, it's been a wild ride lately. Hi, I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. Let's take a look at the national housing number as we move into the second half of 2023. According to the latest report from the National Association of Realtors, nationwide existing homes sales dropped 3.3% in June and are down 16.9% overall from last year. However, due to limited inventory, the national median price is at $410,200, which is the second highest price ever recorded since National Association of Realtors began tracking. And as of the end of June, nationally, we are seeing an absorption rate of 3.1 months supply, indicating we are still in the seller's market. If you'd like to know more about what is happening locally in your area, feel free to connect with me and I can go over your local market housing data